number 17. Actually, this is a way to add. Let's finish that question. Okay. So now question 17. What is the name of SO42 minus? I wish you couldn't see that. And I'm going to actually rank that as wrong because you always got to add one important part, which I'll show you. Name of SO42 minus. Okay. So, as discussed earlier, I think we actually had a sulfate earlier, so it should be relatively familiar. We have the sulfur part, okay, and because it has a certain amount of bonds of oxygens, it's a different ending, okay, so it's sulf something, okay. Now, with that being said, as we do the whole electron number of it, okay, the oxidation number, remember that oxygen likes to typically be 2 minus, okay? So with that being said, it has a whole 8 minus, okay? And sulfur, okay, based on this number that it has a 2 minus total, it has to be plus 6, okay? And if you actually look in the periodic table, right, sulfur is on the 16th column, all right? I mean, it has 6 valence electrons to give. In fact, usually likes to, as we said, just take 2 more and become like argon, but because oxygen is like pretty much a bully in this case, sulfur's like, fine, I'm gonna give up literally 6 whole electrons to become like neon. So sulfur has a plus 6 charge. Why am I mentioning this? Because of the fact that, as I mentioned, typically 8s are the ones that make sense when you do the oxidation number. So this one actually makes sense because sulfur actually does have 6 electrons to give away. So with this will actually be a sulf 8, okay? That is a name, right? But we're not done yet. Why? Because this is 2 minus. Anything with the charge is no longer just a compound, it becomes an ion. So the real name, the full name of this is that this is a sulfate ion, okay? That is a name that we have here. Alright, so with that being said, S42 minus is composed of sulfur and oxygen. Yep. And the compound is conventionally known as sulfate ion. Fate ion is the whole name because of charge, okay? And I would just simply mark this as incorrect. So, because you cannot forget the ion part. The charge is not there just to be gawked at, unfortunately. It actually needs